Welcome to Part 110 of Daily English. Today's topic: Daily Vocabulary Review. Let's review what you've learned in Unit 11. It's sunny. Example: It's sunny today. Let's go outside. What time is it? Example: What time is it now? How many? Example: How many books do you have? How much is it? Example: How much is this backpack? What color is it? Example: What color is your bicycle? I'm wearing a t-shirt. Example: I'm wearing a t-shirt and sneakers today. These are my eyes. Example: These are my eyes. I can see clearly. Can I use your Wi-Fi? Example: Can I use your Wi-Fi to check my email? How do you feel? Example: How do you feel after your vacation? Mini conversation. Anna: Hi, Ben. How do you feel today? Ben: I'm happy. It's sunny, and I'm on time for class. Anna: Great. I like your t-shirt. Can I use your Wi-Fi later? Ben: Of course. Let's study together after class. Anna: Sounds great. Daily tip. Excellent work. You now know useful vocabulary about the weather, time, numbers, money, colors, clothes, body parts, technology, and emotions. These words appear in everyday conversations, so keep reviewing and using them as often as possible. Speaking challenge. Introduce yourself using as many expressions from this unit as possible. Talk about today's weather, the time, your favorite color, what you're wearing, how you feel, and how you use technology every day. Speak for at least 1 minute using at least 10 sentences. Congratulations on finishing Unit 11. You've completed 110 daily English lessons. Continue learning English with Avetra edu.